ag tosnú leis an lína XY. Okay, straight into it, más féidirlinn. Okay, so Cuig Cuig Seachtó So what I have is I have na pointí or bar anyway, and so, and I'm in own gaan sinna all. Okay, and then I'm going to have some more again. Right, I'm going to have to draw the plan called chalked, or there's another drown claw on a lína trasnú lines of intersection either A, B, agus B, C. Níl me now ní dhéanamh gan éh déanta sa plan agam. I leave about 25 mil either na clóna, but again, spiog different in hen and sin. Alright. Then also lower northern plan. Then they're going into case of join the dots, kind of a quanta. August lesson then is fader lom. Na lín to trasnú all. Look, here we go. These are my lines of intersection now. Martian. There we go. Some count shot. Just bring it up, Martian. Martian. Data meet. We call that Q. We can be again new. So A, B, C, A, B, C. We have Q1, so Q, Q, agus P. That's X, Y, Martian. So sin and Kate quit and catch data going draw the plan and elevation of the surfaces A, B and C. So A, B and C. So on do long the sun now the lean to trasnú to get those lines of intersection. Okay? Determine an ilin dehe drug either drown claw A agus B. Okay? Line of intersection between A and B. Okay, so our engagement sheet, so I'm just going to identify the line of intersection either A and B, and I'm going to highlight it here in green. So Shinna lína trasnú and so. Okay, so Kasula Kesht be a hand digging off our intersecting planes question. What do we do? or in gate dul chase, we're going to get the true length of the line of intersection. So the true length can chop there shin. We set up a new XY line atop court overlash. Now you could come off there as well. I'm going to go on plan margin. So XY line new I'm out and shot. Oh, out, give myself free look spot. So I'm going to call that X a hand, Y a hand, margin. And I'm going to bring everything out. Okay, so I'm going to bring, let's see, I'm going to bring this out, this out, this out, and I'm going to bring that out as well. I'm going to continue that line on there. Okay. Ma cahamidna, quaramidna, lepedi, or ruddy. We'll label a little bit ma cahamidna. So, the catnack will end go. Anyway, we'll get our heights from two views back, or spin off. So, mar humpla and point the shot is there, right? Shin right, and point the shot is on near the shin. So, you hold me near the shot. My height. Show A and Lena Trasnu, that's my line of intersection right there now. That's the true length of Fear Fod and Lena Trasnu. Okay, but I'm going to get every other part of it. Okay, I'm going to draw and quid shot. That's near the Canaan, so Marshall and I'm going to go all the way over and home should con. Show all. Shin all freshen. Skin of Venudiv. And I'll put me on XY. Y hand. I'll me a Y hand piece of the out. Y hand so. Here the Canaan. Okay, that is finish. Look along the XY now. Shot. Look along the XY, bring all your points out. So again, more shot. All my points. More shin. Okay, XY, so we're our X a do, Y a do-ish. I'm going to set up a datum. Shot. day hedrock. Oh no, Ellen day hedrock. Alright. Okay, and Kate could Ellen and Kesht. Okay. B and C, Cahamid na Ferbert, a development of in one piece ENF. So what we need to do is we need to be looking straight in at that. We need the true length of the side of it, okay? Our engaged del chase. And we have it here, okay? Because we look 90 degrees to that's the true length. I'm going to show you another way to find the true length, just unisquilchish Shinarola, okay, just so that we know it, okay. Another way of doing it is called a rebatment or the rotations method. So, finding, we could do it on this side. I'm going to do it over here on a school piece of big space. We have a little bit of space. If we rotate onto a horizontal edge, Marsha, so I've rotated this point onto a horizontal edge, Marsha, okay. Now it's at the top. Look, this is at the top. And Lena Shin now, Lena Shaw. Bring it up there now, up to the top. Okay, right. And now join that back to the point that we rotated from in elevation. Okay, and Rod saw. That should also be the true length. Okay, so if I check there, that should be the same length. Is that okay? There's two ways of drawing the true length. But I don't see the point in doing that rebatment that I have just shown you there. Unisquilche identical, because we've it done already. Okay, we have it already. Shinan Fearfod, and we can just put FF in Akalesh Marshin. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, it's this surface, the true shape, we're not looking straight down at it. I could draw it up there, or I could draw it down here. I'm going to go down here. So Kupanusuk, right? There are two true lengths. Okay, so a horizontal line in elevation and a horizontal line in plan mean that we have the true length of Nalinta Shin. So look, on Lena Shaw, August and Lena Shin, their counterparts, the planner and Shaw, August and Shaw, they are true lengths, okay? So they're actually the true lengths. So what we can do is, we're going to develop out down here more Shaw, right? Okay, so I'm going to bring those points down. So Benusuk, I'm going to fold it down into the right position. And it's simply now getting our true length and stepping it off Marsha and stepping it off Marsha. Now I'm going to draw this in, does my green work? We'll do it in green if we can. Let's see. Okay, this is the true shape of surface B. Okay, there, that's the actual true shape of it. If you were to flatten it out. Will Shin, okay? Does that make sense how I did it? I'll pause there. To raise piece of labelling in of them so. Okay, the balloon such just litrica work the Kera Kuna Winter the drum class C. Okay? So we had P was given to us already. There's P. I added Q, R, August S. Marchin. Okay, and I'm going to go through now. Egdol shear. So we have, look, freshen. So there's R. R is Comonta. R and S is the line of intersection. So they're Comonta. They're common points in C and B. Okay? So R is on Shaw. There's S. But this is S in its new position as it's been, as we're looking at it in the true shape. Okay. So we're going to dial all RQ, August SP, or deuce, or fast second. Now, fake gear and Nina, SP. Go back to the rules, okay? Is that a true is it a true length? Because it's horizontal in elevation, look. It's horizontal in elevation. That is a true length. We know it's flat. We're looking straight down on it. So, my yoim and Fadcha, SP, okay? I have S, and if I draw a curve, Marchin, we can make a fair assumption and say that all Egan are on Lena Shaw, big P. P is going to be on that arc somewhere, isn't it? Okay? Right? It's where we find P on that arc. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line on the surface. I'm going to draw a Lena and so either R, August P, because I have R. I'm looking for P. P is hard to find. So I'm going to draw a line from R to P, Marsha. Okay? A red line, Marshin. Okay? And I want to get the true length of it, because Moss Faderling, true lengths are all, we can draw true shapes. Is that okay? right? So very simply, we're going to find that, the true length of it. Now we can look in 90 degrees to it and draw an auxiliary view, or we can do that rebatment method that I was a kind for. Okay, so we can, hang on now, we can project it down here. Okay, so using R as my point, I can project that down. Okay, it's up here somewhere, look, right, there's P, project it down, so it's horizontal, Marsha, and I'm just going to project that back up, Marshin, up there, and join it back to R. That now is a true length. Okay, that's a fear fod and so. We'll call that P a hen. Okay, the true length of P a hen. Okay, so if I now get this distance, the distance of RP, I already have R, RP a hen, sorry, the true length of it, put it onto R, swing my arc there, I now have the proper position of P. Martian. Okay, so now I can join S to P. Okay, right, and I can do the same then lahai Q. Okay, the lína idir R agus Q, lína between R and Q is a true length, so I'm going to just rotate Q down there somewhere, so it's going to be somewhere on here, and all I need to find now is the true length of my line PQ. If I can get the true length of my line PQ, we sort out the question. And we'll check in, okay? Few ways of doing it. I'm going to highlight it in yellow. PQ, PQ and so. It's horizontal in plan, so we know gur fear fada that that's a true length. So look, get the distance of PQ, put it on P, swing your arc. You had already swung, grown up, it's down, goes down here. Oops, we'll go again, a little bit more accurate, Marsha. We had already swung down Q, Marsha, and Boolean sheet, Martian. That's drown claw C, drown claw B. True shape of them, Martian. Okay? Right, so P and Q. So P is here, Q is Aaron Bun, right here. See it right there on the bottom. The shortest is going to be, I'll go in blue, it's going to be a lína díreach, either P agus Q. I'm working on the development now. Okay, so it's on ear the shin. We need to find that height on lína RS. Where is RS? Marshin. Now, my problem with RS here, folks, is that RS isn't a true length. That's not a true length. They are there, because it's not horizontal, one of them. So we're going to find PQ, because PQ is horizontal. We have it on a true length. So what we'll do is we'll transfer that height over. Look, parallel across the plane, right, onto PQ, right. Get that point now, and so, right. Now go to Q, measure it up, right, and we're going to come across parallel again until it cuts my line RS. There's RS, and we draw our, that's the shortest distance that my bio needs to take, Martian. Let's find, does it say to find it in the plan? I assume it does, so down to original RS, there we go, RS from PQ, there we go, and down to Q. Martian, that's the shortest distance. Okay.